Hello everyone. So for today we're going to stamp some label paper with some stamps. I'm just going to use black soot, archival ink, archival distress ink is what I should say, and see what happens. We are going to use some larger ones, some smalls. Again, I'm just having a bit of a play with my stamps. I think it's fun to have a bit of a play rather than always doing the same thing. That didn't come out as bright as I thought it would be. But we'll try different things. Again, I'm just having a bit of a play. Nothing too extravagant. Yeah, that's definitely darker. Does way better with smaller than it does large. But again, I'm just having fun. And sometimes you gotta do that instead of feeling like you're overdoing it constantly or not sure what you're doing and everything else. Just have fun with your stamps once in a while. Don't get too extravagant with it, just a bit of fun. All I'm doing, and this is Rubbermaid stamp small lily. This is, I have no clue what stamp it is. It's been sold multiple times, has multiple tags on it. Just says C248 in 1991. So this stamp was made when I was only like 0. I was 0 days old when this stamp came out. So that again tells you sometimes how much stamps move around. Let's use this butterfly. To break up some of these pieces. Again, I just am having fun right now just with the idea of making kind of a collage with stamps. And it is not going to look like a collage when we're done. Again, it's just little additions sometimes do the most wonderful things. Now, I want to show you how it looks now that we're done stamping a little bit after I do one last thing. I'm going to take some Distress ink and just wipe it across. That's all I'm doing, is taking the little bit of extra ink and swiping it across. Then these stamps are definitely going to have a mixture of color to it. And I'm using up that Distress ink that maybe the sponge has been holding on to. You want to turn with what? Rosie, let her have a turn. Okay. So this is what it looks like. The end result. I honestly think that's beautiful. I'm going to put that right on here. This is just my stamp off paper, but you know what? I think it's ready to be used as a regular paper to be put in a journal, etc. So it's going to go in that area, but now I have pre-made labels that look rather unique instead of, again, the same thing over and over again. I like using different techniques and everything else. So a great way to make yourself labels for on hand. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, I love how this looks. I think that's a beautiful little label. Enjoy the rest of your day or night. Bye.